We Clear Skin Hair and Laser Center. Care your scar. Let be any scar. What is scar? Scar is defined as the fibrous tissue that replaces normal tissue destroyed by injury or disease. Let be any scar. Acne scar, accidental scar, post-surgical scar, burn scar, or contractures, stretch marks, chickenpox scar, hypertrophic scar, keloid scar. Now, types of acne scar: ice pick scar, rolling scar, pox scar, red acne scar, papular scar over nose or chin, and pores. Older days treatments such as subcision, derma roller, microdermabrasion, dermabrasion, punch elevation, cryotherapy, TCA cross peel, scar revision, and so on are now outdated. Nowadays, we are in the era of laser treatments, wherein no needles, no surgery, no downtime in treating scars. Clear Skin Hair and Laser Center, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. The only center in India at present to have most advanced time-tested US FDA approved lasers and energy-based devices to treat all types of scars under one roof. Pico laser causes photocaustic mechanical damage to target the underlying scar tissue. Works by inducing laser-induced optical breakdown, microsubcision, and promoting collagen and elastin production. Thus, Pico laser is most beneficial in initial part of laser treatment. In improving any atrophic scar such as ice pick, rolling, box scar, acne scars, fractional skin surfacing laser or energy-based devices. Treats microscopic columns of skin and delivers a laser beam that targets a fraction of the skin at a time. These are called microthermal treatment zones. Within each microthermal treatment zones, old epidermal pigmented cells are expelled and the neocollagenosis happens in the dermis, which evens out the depressions in the skin. Fractional resurfacing technologies which are the most commonly used are fractional CO2, most effective for depressed atrophic acne scars, and its free hand is used to treat papular acne scars over nose and chin. Fractional CO2 in debulking mode to create deep channels into thick scar tissues, and if used for few consecutive months in combination with collagen remodeling agents can almost flatten the hypertrophic scars and keloids. Fractional erbium YAG is a solid state and versatile laser. Can be used in different modes such as ablative or non-ablative for atrophic acne scars. Fractional erbium glass is the most advanced non-ablative laser technology with contact cooling used for any atrophic scars. It works on the deeper layers of the dermis without affecting the superficial layers of the skin with no downtime, unlike other fractional technologies. Fractional skin resurfacing is a radio frequency device and is not a laser. It can be used in a patient having laser phobia for treating any atrophic or acne scar. Pulse dye laser is most effective if used early and in combination with other techniques and works on scar microvasculature, reducing erythema, pruritus, and improving skin texture with significant improvement in red acne scars or fresh scars, hypertrophic or keloid scars. Fractional microneedling radio frequency. The microneedles are driven directly into the skin at a certain depth and radio frequency energy is then released, generating heat throughout the dermis, resulting in volumetric tightening, collagen remodeling and production. It is considered safer than fractional laser treatment for atrophic acne scars or open pores or sagging skin and can be used on all types of skin without any adverse effects. Energet volumetric technology works by breaking up the tight scar tissue underneath the skin, stimulating elastin and collagen production due to microtrauma. Deposition of microdroplets of healing agent hyaluronic acid deep into the dermal layer of the skin, improving atrophic scars and by also reduction of hypertrophic and keloidal scar. As it is noted, there is significant decrease in hyaluronic acid in these scar tissues.